Hope you all are doing great. Welcome back once again to the Winning Edge YouTube channel. And in today's video, we'll be covering tenses. In the one video, we had covered the simple present tense and other forms of tenses. And now we'll be covering the past tense and the future tense. So starting with the past tense or the simple past tense as we call it, or the past indefinite tense. So any action that happened in the past is called as your past tense. For example, we saw the Prime Minister last month. This is an example of an action that happened. We saw. So that is a past tense. Yeah, I received your letter a week ago. Again, this is an example of past tense. Then we insulted him. Past tense. He came here yesterday. Okay, all these are examples of past indefinite tense. But then what is past continuous tense? Just like we studied in the present tense, the present continuous tense. So a past continuous tense will be an action that was happening in the past at the time of the speaking, just like in the present continuous tense. जैसे कि अभी, जैसे अगर आप बोलते हैं they were cutting the tree, so that action was happening in the past at the time of this at the time you are speaking. So they were cutting the tree. या बबली was writing a letter when नीरज called on her. तो उस समय वो लिख रही थी. Action is in the past, but it is a continuous action. It was happening in the past at the time of speaking. So both these sentences are the examples of past continuous tense. Then the third continuous tense is, ठीक है, next वाली क्या है? For repeated actions in the past. जैसे ज्योति was always. Jyoti was, this is a repeated action. Jyoti was always telling lies. Then to denote an action which is related to the past. Okay. जैसे she was always asking for help. Okay. All these are the examples of simple past tenses. The ones we had just seen here. Okay. All these are the examples of simple past tenses. An action that was happening in the past. It can be a repeated action. It can be an action that is related to the past, as the example we have seen here. Now we will be doing an exercise to solve questions based on simple past tense. So here in this exercise again you have to fill in the blanks with the correct tense of the verb given. For example, I dash your letter this morning. So receive is given. So in the past क्या हो जाएगा? I received, है ना? D लग जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? I received your letter this morning. How many deer dash you dash in the zoo? तो क्या पूछ रहे हैं यहाँ पे? वर्ब क्या गिवन है? सी. तो क्या हो जाएगा? हाउ मेनी डियर डिड यू सी? हाउ मेनी डियर डिड यू सी इन द जू? ओके. माई फादर डैश अ न्यू हाउस लास्ट मंथ. तो यहाँ पे क्या है? सॉरी, इट शुड बी बाय. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? माई फादर बॉट. माई फादर बॉट अ न्यू हाउस लास्ट मंथ. प्राइसेस डैश बाय 40% लास्ट ईयर. राइस का क्या हो जाना चाहिए? पास्ट टेंस में प्राइसेस रोज. प्राइसेस रोज बाय 40%. कोलंबस डैश अमेरिका डिस्कवर. तो डिस्कवर का क्या हो जाएगा? डी ऐड हो जाएगा, ईडी ऐड हो जाएगा. कोलंबस डिस्कवर्ड. कोलंबस ने डिस्कवर किया था. कोलंबस डिस्कवर्ड अमेरिका. ओके. सो लेट्स प्रैक्टिस अनदर 5 sentences as well. Okay. Thousands of people dashed their lives in the earthquake. तो lose, past क्या हो जाएगा? Lost. गंगू dash 10 rupees from me. So borrow, borrow का क्या हो जाएगा? Borrowed. When dash you dash from Allahabad. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? When did you? When did you return? When did you return from Allahabad? I dash to her house on foot. तो go का क्या हो जाएगा? पास्ट में I went. I went to her house on foot. A thief dashed into our garbage last night. Break. Break is given here verb. तो क्या हो जाएगा आपका? A thief broke into our garage last night. Now talking about the past continuous tense. जैसे प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में हमें ये पता था कि एक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन इन द प्रेजेंट. यहाँ पे भी एक्शन डिनोट करता है द एक्शन दैट इज गोइंग ऑन इन द पास्ट. तो अभी हमने किस पे फोकस करना है? वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन पास्ट. ठीक है. सो अब हम क्या करते हैं? वी ऐड द प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल टू वॉज और वर. जैसे कि आपका जो सब्जेक्ट होता है उसके साथ हम ऐड करते हैं वॉज या वर. फिर हम ऐड करते हैं फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस हमारा लगता है ING. ओके, रिमेंबर ING। जैसे कि आपका है द ट्रेन वॉज रनिंग या वर रनिंग, यू हैव टू सी, ठीक है, आपका सब्जेक्ट क्या है अकॉर्डिंगली, द ट्रेन वॉज रनिंग एट फुल स्पीड। सो दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल। ट्रेन आपने बोला वॉज, तो वॉज इज अ पास्ट एक्शन, बट अभी तक वो रन कर रही है, एक्शन गोइंग ऑन इन द पास्ट। ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट इज डिनोटेड बाय past continuous tense. The train was running at full speed is an example of past continuous tense. ठीक है, जब हम नेक्स्ट बात कर रहे हैं नेगेटिव फॉर्म में, नेगेटिव फॉर्म में हम हमेशा नॉट लगाते हैं सेंटेंस में। नॉट इज प्लेस बिटवीन द हेल्पिंग वर्ब एंड द प्रिंसिपल वर्ब। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सब्जेक्ट के साथ हमने पहले बोला वॉज वर, अब हमने ऐड कर दिया नॉट। ओके, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वॉज वर प्लस नॉट, देन आपका आ गया है वर्ब प्लस आता है ING, जैसे कि she was not weeping. So this is again an example of past continuous tense. Then अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म का, ठीक है, इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म का अगर हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं तो उसमें क्या होता है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट। दिस यू हैव टू रिमेंबर। इन इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म हेल्पिंग वर्ब को हम लगाते हैं बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट, जैसे कि was were आपका आएगा प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब प्लस ING. Okay, this rule you have to remember. So now let's practice a few questions based on this past continuous tense. Okay, again the verb is given to us in the brackets and we have to choose the correct form of the verb. Like the baby dash in the room. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, the baby was आपका क्या हो जाएगा, weeping. The baby was weeping in the room. Children dash a noise in the class. तो मेक का क्या हो जाएगा आपका, चिल्ड्रन, इट इज प्लूरल, सो चिल्ड्रन वर मेकिंग, चिल्ड्रन वर मेकिंग अ नॉइज इन द क्लासरूम। वाई डैश यू डैश एट हर, लुक, ठीक है, क्या हो जाएगा आपका, वाई डिड यू लुक एट हर, वाई डिड यू लुक एट हर। वी सॉ द एरोप्लेन वाइल इट टेक ऑफ, तो क्या हो जाएगा, वाइल इट वॉज, while it was, take का क्या हो जाएगा, taking, while it was taking off. The students dashed their morning prayer when I reached their school. So क्या हो जाएगा, the students, plural है students, the students were saying, ठीक है, say का क्या हो जाएगा, students were saying their morning prayer when I reached their school. Next, I dash my beard when the telephone bell rang. तो क्या करेंगे आप इसका, I के साथ क्या होगा, I was shaving my beard when the telephone bell rang. My mother dash when I returned home. तो क्या हो जाएगा, my mother was sleeping. The old lady dashed the Gita when the guest arrived. तो क्या होगा, the old lady, read का क्या हो जाएगा, was reading. The old lady was reading. All these are examples of your past continuous tense. Mother dashed tea for us when the school bus homed. Something wrong here. तो क्या हो जाएगा, came home होगा, mother क्या हो जाएगा, mother was preparing tea for us when the school bus came home. ठीक है, mother was preparing. Pay attention on the verb. Okay, she found that the baby dash bitterly. तो baby क्या कर रहा था, cry कर रहा था, तो baby was crying. ठीक है, the baby was crying bitterly. The next tense that we have to see is the past perfect tense. इसमें क्या होता है, जैसे कि आपके सब्जेक्ट के साथ had आ जाता है और साथ में आपका ऐड हो जाता है थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। जैसे कि सेंटेंस है, I had gone to Delhi yesterday. Okay, so this sentence should be formed in simple past. जैसे कि आपका होगा I went to Delhi yesterday. तो जो आपका पास्ट परफेक्ट का स्ट्रक्चर होता है वो कैसा होता है कि we use had. आप उसमें क्या लगा देते हो, had लगा देते हो बिफोर द पास्ट पार्टिसिपल और द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब। अब हम इसके एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस के। ठीक है, जैसे कि है आपका इंटेरोगेटिव फॉर्म में है अगर, तो हैड इज यूज्ड बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट, तो आपका क्या रूल है, हैड प्लस सब्जेक्ट, है ना। जैसे कि सेंटेंस आपका बनेगा हैड ही लेफ्ट व्हेन यू केम, सो आपने जो had है उसको कहाँ लगाया, you have put that had in the beginning. So had आएगा, फिर subject आएगा, ठीक है. So had he left when you came. अगर हम उसको नेगेटिव फॉर्म में यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो not is used after had. अगर हम नेगेटिव फॉर्म की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, सब्जेक्ट प्लस had प्लस not प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. जैसे कि आपका है had not, I had not seen you before. मैंने तुम्हें पहले नहीं देखा, ठीक है. I had not, ठीक है, I is your subject, then had, then not, then whatever is your verb. I had not seen you before. So this is again an example of a past perfect tense. Okay. Talking more about past perfect tense, other rules that we have to remember is that to indicate an action in the past that had been completed before another action in the past happened. जैसे कि the match had started before we reached the stadium. कि आप क्या बता रहे हैं, एक action जो कि past tense में है, जो कि occur हुआ, जो कि happen हुआ, it had been completed before another action started. Okay, जैसे कि when he came to me, I had posted the letter. जैसे ही वो आया आपके पास, आपने लेटर पोस्ट कर दिया था. तो an action in the past that had been completed before another action in the past had happened. Okay, या दूसरा रूल क्या होता है इसका, to express an action or event that happened earlier than a point of time in the past. जैसे कि कोई काम आपने बोला by 5 PM they had scored 250 runs, या by afternoon he had completed much work. ठीक है, इन सारे केसेस में आप past perfect tense यूज करते हैं. या कोई ऐसा एक्शन हो जो कि आपका, it can be a wish that has not been fulfilled. तो unfulfilled wish, जैसे I wish I had, अगर ऐसा होता, अगर मैंने मेहनत की होती, so I wish I had worked hard. If she had worked hard, she would have passed. तो इन सारे केसेस में भी, ठीक है, unfulfilled wish, any action in the past that was not fulfilled. Okay, तो इस केसेस में भी आप कौन सी टेंस यूज करते हैं, you use your past perfect tense. So now let us practice our exercise and fill in the correct form of the past tenses. Okay, the verbs are given to us in the brackets. The first is Mohan dash already dash his breakfast. Given is take. So अगर हम past tense की बात कर रहे हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा, Mohan has already taken his breakfast. Mohan has already taken his breakfast. If she dashed for the examination, she would not have failed. तो क्या हो जाएगा, if she had prepared for the examination, she would not have failed. The bell dashed before I reached the school. तो क्या हो जाएगा, the bell had gone before I reached the school. Next is the patient dashed before the doctor arrived. तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका, the patient had died. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. She dashed not dash the place before her husband permitted her. तो क्या होगा, she had not left the place before her husband permitted her. Okay, next, dash the child dash before his mother returned from office. तो क्या हो जाएगा, had the child slept. The rain dash when we stepped out of our house. तो क्या हो जाएगा, the rain had stopped. क्या हो जाएगा, the rain had stopped when we stepped out of our house. If you dash her, she would have got first division. तो क्या हो जाएगा, if you had, अगर तुमने, if you had helped her, अगर ऐसा होता, she would have got first division. ठीक है. Next, the cinema show dash when I reached the hall. क्या हो जाएगा, the cinema show had started. ठीक है, the cinema show had started. Next, if she dash a bus, she would have caught the train. If she had boarded, अगर उसने पकड़ ली होती, if she had boarded a bus, she would have caught the train.